Tagalog sentences using sana. Sana manalo ka. I hope you win. Sana magustuhan mo ito. I hope you like this. Sana maramdaman mo rin ang nararamdaman ko. I hope you'll feel how I am feeling right now. Mapunta sana sa'yo ang sumpa. May the curse be upon you. Sana hindi ka maubusan ng pasensya sa akin. I hope you won't run out of patience with me. Sana hindi na maulit ito. I hope this doesn't happen again. Sana makauwi ka kaagad. I hope you'd get home soon. Nagdasal ako na sana hindi ka umalis. I prayed hoping that you won't leave. Sana patawarin niya na ako. I hope that he or she forgives me. Sana nasa Canada ako. I wish I were in Canada. Sana hindi ka mawala ng tiwala sa akin. I hope you won't lose your trust in me. Magsilbi sana itong aral sa'yo. Let this be a lesson to you. Sana maunawaan mo ako. I hope you understand me. Sana hindi umulan mamayang hapon. I hope it will not rain this afternoon. Sana magkaroon kayo ng magandang kinabukasan. I hope you'll have a wonderful future. Sana hindi ka tamarin. I hope you won't feel lazy. Pagkalooban sana ako ng dagdag karunungan. May I be endowed with wisdom. Masundan sana natin ang halimbawa ng mga matatanda. May we follow the example of the elders. Sana makahanap tayo ng mauupuan. I hope we'd be able to find seats. Sana matutunan mo akong mahalin. I hope you'll learn to love me. Dinalhan mo sana ako ng tinapay. I would have wanted you to bring me some bread. Makilala sana kita. I hope to meet you soon. Sana hindi ka magsawa sa akin. I hope you won't get tired of me. Sana maintindihan mo kung bakit ko ginawa yon. I hope you'll be able to understand me why I did that. Sana nandito ka ngayon. I wish you were here. Sana maisipan mo pa rin bumisita dito kahit malayo ka na. I hope you would still be able to think of visiting us even if you are already live far. Ngayon na mangingibang bansa ka, sana hindi ka makalimot. Now that you're going abroad, I hope you will not forget about me. Sana ako na lang siya. I wish I were her or him. Sana iniisip mo rin ako. I hope you think of me too.